Good afternoon, everyone. This is Romona coming to you from Social Media How-Tos with Romona. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your Instagram account from your Facebook business page. The first thing that you want to do is make sure that you're logged into your Facebook business page. And by the way, what you're looking at is the Facebook new page experience. So if your page doesn't look like this, you probably don't have the new page experience. So over on the left, go ahead and click on settings. Next, over on the left again, click on linked accounts. Over on the right, you'll see your Instagram business account info. Go ahead and click on disconnect account. Next, you'll get a message asking you if you want to disconnect your Instagram account from your Facebook page. It says if you disconnect your Instagram account, people won't be able to manage it from Facebook. Most shared Instagram information, including ads, insights, and comments, and messages and inbox, will be removed from Facebook. Audiences will still be able to see any shared posts. Then it also states that you may reconnect accounts later on in Instagram. So I'm going to go ahead and click on yes, disconnect. And you'll get a green check mark, account disconnected. You can connect your page to an Instagram account at any time in page settings, which is what we just did. We're going to go ahead and click done. If this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that you'll receive notifications each time I post a new video. And with that, I want to say have an amazing day.